Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Curtis Brown Jr. coming at you from Donley, Florida, Shelby with this 2016 Jeep Renegade. The thing offers the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder motor. The thing offers you 21 miles to the gallon in the city, 29 miles to the gallon on the highway, 4-wheel drive. Let's take a look on the inside. As you see here, you have your backup camera, heated seats, heated steering wheel, cruise control. As we take a look in the back here, this thing will sit 3 people very comfortably. Plenty of room back here. It's a pretty good deal for a compact SUV. As we make our way to the back, show you the hatch. This one here, you reach down here, click the button, opens right up on its own. You can see all the space in here. This offers quite a bit of cargo space. This one here, you do have to push down, let it shut. So yeah, if you have any questions on this 2016 Jeep Renegade, get a hold of me, Curtis Brown Jr., Donley, Florida, Shelby, extension 4014. Thank you.